नमस्कार, वन इंडिया हिंदी में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं शिखा धूरिया। लगातार लोगों की जान ले रहे कोरोना वायरस की वैक्सीन को लेकर दुनिया की नजरें अब अलग अलग दवा कंपनियों पर टिकी हुई हैं। इस बीच कोरोना वैक्सीन पर एम्स डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने कहा कि भारत में जो टीके बनाए जा रहे हैं वो अंतिम चरण के ट्रायल में हैं। डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने उम्मीद जताई कि इस महीने के अंत तक या फिर अगले महीने की शुरुआत तक हमें कोरोना वैक्सीन के इमरजेंसी वैक्सीनाइजेशन की इजाजत मिल जाए। उन्होंने कहा कि हमें वैक्सीन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को लेकर सख्त कदम उठाने की जरूरत है, जिससे जनता को वैक्सीन देना शुरू किया जा सके। डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने कहा कि कोरोना वैक्सीन को लेकर अच्छा डेटा उपलब्ध है कि टीके बहुत सुरक्षित हैं।
In India, we have now vaccines which are in their final phase 3 trial, and both the Serum Institute of India and the Bharat Biotech vaccines are in their phase 3 trial. So, we are very hopeful that by the end of this month or by early next month, we should get the emergency use authorization from the Indian regulatory authorities to start giving the vaccine to the public. So I think there is now good data that the vaccines are very safe. This has been something which has been monitored very, very closely. And although the vaccine development has happened at a rapid pace, this is being done by doing things parallelly, but safety and efficacy has not been compromised at all. Also, I think we must understand that if we look at all the vaccines that have been given in phase 3 trials, the number of people who have been vaccinated are almost 70 to 80,000 or even more. So if you look at that number, then we have not had any significant serious adverse effect as far as the vaccine is concerned, and therefore I think there is a lot of encouraging data that at least in the short term the vaccine is very safe.
डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने कहा कि शुरुआत में सभी को देने के लिए टीका पर्याप्त मात्रा में उपलब्ध नहीं होगा। हमें ये देखना होगा कि प्राथमिकता सूची की जरूरत है कि हम उन लोगों का टीकाकरण पहले करें जिनमें संक्रमण होने की संभावना ज्यादा है। डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने कहा कि बुजुर्गों, कॉमोर्बिडिटीज और फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स वाले लोगों को पहले टीका लगाया जाना चाहिए।
There is a lot of work going on as far as the vaccine distribution plan is concerned, and a lot of work is being done both at the center and state level in terms of maintaining the cold chain, having appropriate storehouses available to store all the doses that will come, and developing a strategy of how to distribute them in each area to train the vaccinators so that they can vaccinate and have enough information so that they can give that information to the people who are getting vaccine. Also, to make sure that we have enough syringes, needles, and everything available, which will also be required to vaccinate. And this is being done at a war footing in the entire country. In the beginning, vaccine will not be available in sufficient doses to give to everyone. So we will have to make a priority list. And our priority list is based on two things. One is to see that we vaccinate those who have a higher chance of dying because of COVID-19. So people who are elderly, who have comorbid condition, should be vaccinated. Secondly, those who are the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, the ASHA workers, the police people, the CRPF, who are working in COVID areas for so many months and have a high risk of getting COVID because of the work that they're doing, to protect them and they need to be vaccinated first. So once the booster dose is given, the vaccine will give within a few days good amount of antibody production and will start giving protection to the individual. And this will last for many months, hopefully for a year or more. And therefore, this will give you protection at least for a significant time. Hopefully, by that time, the cases will have come down, and therefore the chain of the numbers will be less, and we will not need to therefore worry too much. However, we will need to follow this up over the next few months, maybe even 6 months to 1 year, to see what type of immunity does the vaccine give.
कोरोना की थमती रफ्तार पर एम्स डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने खुशी जाहिर की है। उन्होंने कहा कि हम कोरोना ग्राफ देख रहे हैं और अगर नियमों का पालन करते रहे तो ये गिरावट जारी रहेगी। डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने कहा कि आने वाले 3 महीने काफी महत्वपूर्ण हैं। अगर हम सावधानी बरतना जारी रखते हैं तो कोरोना महामारी के खतरे को टाल सकते हैं।
I think now we have seen a decline in the current wave, and I hope that this will continue. If we are able to have good COVID appropriate behavior in terms of wearing a mask, avoiding crowds developing, and not allowing them to become super spreading events, maintaining physical distancing and hand washing, I think this decline will continue. And on the same time, it's very important that we continue to do this for the next few months, because once the vaccine is available, then this will be a big boost in not only declining the cases but decreasing our mortality. The death rate will significantly come down. So we are now very close to turning the corner, or having a big change pandemic is concerned, and therefore it's all the more important that for the next few months we be very vigilant in terms of COVID appropriate behavior, because if we are able to just now sort of manage for the next, let's say, 3 months or so, I think we will be significantly down as far as the number of cases is concerned, because of the change in weather and because of the vaccine being given.
वहीं आपको बता दें कि ब्रिटेन में फाइजर बायोएनटेक की वैक्सीन को इमरजेंसी अप्रूवल मिल चुका है। ये वैक्सीन वहां के नागरिकों को लगाई जाएगी। खास बात यह है कि इस वैक्सीन को भारत में स्टोर करना काफी मुश्किल है। एक्सपर्ट्स के मुताबिक फाइजर की टीके को स्टोर करने के लिए -70 डिग्री सेल्सियस तापमान की जरूरत होती है, जबकि भारत का तापमान गर्म है। इस खबर में फिलहाल इतना ही। तमाम अपडेट्स के लिए आप बने रहिए वन इंडिया हिंदी के साथ।